YouTubers, I finally decided on the phone I'm gonna get after 2 years and waiting. After the 7, the 8, the 9, the 10, I'm upgraded to, guess what? The iPhone Max. The iPhone Max. So today I'll be doing the cover, uncover, box cover, whatever it's called. So I'm gonna put my GoPro down a little bit. So here's the iPhone Max. Can't believe I'm doing this. I'm so excited. So here we go. iPhone Max. This is the 64 gigabyte space gray. Oh my goodness, here it is. Oh my goodness. Yes. Uncover. I'm gonna throw this away. Here we go. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. You got your designed by Apple, the paperwork. All the paperwork, the sticker. Here's the sticker. Here's the phone. I am so excited. I've been listening to reviews after reviews, so after I do my review for using it for a couple of days, I'm gonna go ahead and do another video here. There's the phone for now. Comes with the headphone jack, the headphone, and here's the charger everyone talks about. It should be a fast charger for the price we're using it, but here's the charger. And here is the lightning cable to the USB. So I'm gonna be using this handy dandy stuff. And that's about it for the unboxing, guys. Catch me on the next video if you liked it and it was good. This is my first video ever through YouTube, so help me out, like it, share it, and be a subscriber. Thank you.